Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll open Bandlab and start a new project now. Don't delay. Choose a track type, voice, or instrument, because that sets input routing and effects. Once done, check input gain and set the metronome. This prevents clipping and keeps timing tight. Make sure sample rate is 44. 1 kHz for compatibility. Then arm the track and do a quick test take so levels look good, because good input makes mixing far easier later. Start recording focus takes and use loop mode if you need multiple passes. It saves time and gives options. After recording, tap into the clip editor to trim, split, and add small fades. This prevents pops and keeps transitions smooth. Use comping to assemble the best phrases. It's efficient and sonically cleaner. Once arranged, apply clip gain first, then a touch of EQ to remove muddiness, followed by gentle compression. So now mix. Set relative levels, pan instruments to create width, and add reverb or delay sparingly to place things in space. Too much washes details. Once balanced, bounce the mix. Select WAV44. 1 kHz for masters or MP3 320 kbps for sharing. If you encounter glitches, first clear the app cache and restart Bandlab. If problems persist, export stems and re-import into a fresh project. Finally, save a local copy and upload a version for collaborators so you never lose work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.